Hi everyone. Happy Halloween. I'm dressed for Halloween. I have the beeswax candle. Happy birthday to people that had birthday this week. Found a cute little basket. Going to act as a colander. I've placed a little bottle cap just to elevate. I've covered the canvas with a primer. And I'm going to attempt to do something like a colander pour, which I actually haven't had a lot of success with. So I just have a bunch of colors as you saw the pictures, and I'm just going to begin to pour and see what happens. And I'm going to pour white in between. Whoops. This is glitter paint. Some of these are rather thin. I don't have any real way planning. Ew, what is that? Yeah. I have no idea. That was some gloppy kind of something or another. Here's some purple glitter paint. Some pink. Some more metallic. Pink, more of this pink, this pretty pink. Forgot the blue. More of the green. I'm going to turn this because it looks like it's going to pick it up now. Going to get rid of it in the sink. And I need to pick this up. It's a little bottle cap. See, a lot of my pours, they're really not, the colander pours at least. They're not becoming like a colander pour. I'm going to torch this before I go any further. Of course, my gloves are messy, but that's okay. Some cells came up on the pink, but nothing really too much on the green. So what I'm going to try to do is get rid of some of the greenish and see Guess it's mostly going to be like a pink painting. So you can see how just maybe like the top part is moving. It's like some of the paint is probably a lot thinner, and I'm just going to move it. So that blue is just right there, is just staying, and that's fine. I think I'm just going to leave it. Try to torch this a little bit, see if anything comes up. Whoops, I just dropped some weight, and that's okay. Alright, so I'm going to move this painting out of the way, and I'm going to do another painting, more of an open cup. And before I do this, I need something, my spoon straws. This one I've used before. I'm just going to take some of that white. Oh, it's actually, I think it's like a chip. There we go. That'll be fine. I'm going to take this one out of the way. Oh, yike, I almost dropped it. Okay, I'm bringing the next painting. Look at the pretty drippings over here. Beautiful. All right, so I'm going to take the painting, and I'm going to see if I can actually level. It's pretty much not level. So let's see if I can lift it up a little bit more. So I just take a couple sticks and I place it underneath, and that's leveled it a lot better. I'm going to take the white paint. Pour some in the middle. Now this is primer, and I just keep it in this empty coffee jar. All right, so I guess A4 paper. And I'm going to add some more of the silicone, which is Artist Loft silicone, in the cups. I'll probably have just enough for each color, just a little bit of each color in these. Somehow, I think I might have put some of that glue, so I can't use that one. So in the metallic paints, I actually only use water or some of the M1 extender because I find that it thickens too much. And of course I love the Artist Loft. I love the Ready Mix. It's really nice. I like the colors. So sorry about my arm, and I'll just add more Halloween colors, orange. And I'm not really following the correct, you know, mixing muddy colors. I'm just doing whatever. And already this is gorgeous. It has some brown, the green, the purple. I'm just going to let this sit a minute. I do like the open cup or the, you know, the tube. It really makes nice cells. And hold on, someone's at my door. You can enjoy that. Hi. Hi. Oh, okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I didn't want you to think I just popped in without...
I'm actually filming my video, but you can go in and see Mike.
Okay, I just
All right.
wanted to... I figured either you weren't home...
Oh,
or you were
okay.
busy, and I just wanted to make sure you
Okay,
got your
that's
supplies.
fine. All right, hi guys, I'm back. My husband's nurse is here. There's someone that comes once a week, and they check him out just to see his, you know, they want to see his blood pressure. He's on hospice.
I've been released from my physical therapy.
But the thing is, with hospice, you can actually stay on it more than 6 months, even though that generally is. That's the time. I'm sorry, I can't speak and listen and trying to hear what they say in there. But anyway, so I didn't expect them to come today. The regular nurse is on vacation. So my husband has ALS, and I take care of him full time. He's bedridden completely, and I don't want him going to a nursing home. So I just stay home, and that's it. And I'm okay with it, because he helps me out with quite a bit of the... See, I lost the cells, but that's fine, because I think this is sort of pretty. Reminds me of another landscape, and sort of... So I'm going to torch it, and I'm probably just going to let it be. Whoops, I burned a little bit. Now, I can see the glitter. I'm sure you can't. But it's real subtle, and it's very pretty. Like, wherever the purple is, like up here, there's a little bit of glitter. So what I'm going to do... Oh, isn't that pretty? So I'm going to end the video. I thank you for watching. I might tilt this a little more, I'm not sure, but I'll show you a picture at the end. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you'll come back next time. Okay, have a nice Halloween. Bye-bye.
Well before any Europeans did, and used cocoa beans and cotton as money. Slaves within the empire lived in relatively comfortable conditions, with the exception of criminals and prisoners of war. They were most likely sacrificed atop towering Aztec pyramids. According to archaeological evidence, roughly 84,000 prisoners were once killed over 4 days. Most slaves, their activity increased dramatically with the rise of the Ottoman Empire, which severely weakened Christian control of the Mediterranean. Muslim pirates would attack ships, as well as raid coastal villages in Italy, France, Spain, Portugal, England, Ireland, the Netherlands, and even Iceland. The attacks were so frequent and widespread that many coastal settlements were completely abandoned